antipasto salad with some leftover pizza from yesterday. So I'm going to be eating lunch. I'm watching my favorite show, Nikita. You guys already know. And actually, this is just one of my favorite shows. I've just been binge watching it lately because it's free on Netflix right now. And so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm going to start editing my video after I'm done eating. It's Sunday, the 14th, April 14th. Please excuse my hair. It still is not dried. I washed my hair on Friday. Today is Sunday and my hair is still wet. That's why it's still up. So I'm hoping tomorrow it will be dry. It should be dry by tomorrow. So yeah, I'm on my way to church. On Sunday I go to church in the morning and in the afternoon service. So it's about to be 3 o'clock. Actually it's about to be 2:30. So at 2:30 I go and I practice singing because I'm in the worship team with my sister. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do, and then I'll probably show you guys a little clips from church, just a little bit. And then yeah. Alright guys, so it is Sunday. It looks so dark and creepy out here. But yeah, it's Sunday. I'm walking my dog. Say hi, Prince. Say hi. It is so creepy. It's getting dark, so I'm not trying to be out here too late. But I wanted to take him for a walk today. Because it was so nice earlier. Like it was like warm, good weather. Uh-oh. He looks like he sees something. What is over there? Look at him. He sees something. I don't know what he sees, but let's go. Anyway, but it was so nice, and I felt so bad because my dog was just inside all day, which he usually is he's an inside dog, but it's getting nicer weather, so I want to start walking him more. But yeah, so we're walking right now. But yeah, so nothing too exciting, just giving him a walk. And yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be heading back soon. But it's like not even that cold. Look at me with my full winter jacket on. I'm so extra. Hi guys, so today is Tuesday. The last clip you guys saw, I think, was of me at the gym, which was yesterday. I went to the gym. But today's Tuesday. I'm working from home today. So I'm just, on my laptop calling a few clients and watching, some TV as I work. So I'm just, working from home. I just wanted to come in and just chat with you guys really quick. My hair actually did dry, so it is fully dry. I feel like it's been forever since I've been had my hair out and curly, and the reason for that is because it literally takes so many days to dry, and that's my fault. Well, not really my fault. My hair needs to be completely soaked, and then I have to put a lot of product in order for my hair to last. So it's literally takes 3 days to dry, because I did my hair on Friday and it didn't fully dry till Monday. And even on Monday there was still some wet spots, so that's so crazy. But I know that once the hot weather starts to come, then I can just walk outside, my hair will dry faster. But because it's still a little bit cold where I live, so yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys. I like the way my hair came out. I'm gonna do a video showing you guys what I use step by step. But yeah, so yeah, I just want to come on here and say hi to you guys. Later on today I'm probably gonna try to get an oil change. So hopefully they can take me, because yesterday I tried, they couldn't take me. And then I'm gonna probably go to the gym again. And yeah, so I just wanted to update you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. guys, so today is April 21st. Today's actually Easter, so I just wanted to come on here and just say happy Easter to everyone, and I hope everyone had a great Easter with their family and celebrating, you know, the resurrection of Jesus today. So I actually wanted to just wish you guys a happy Easter. I'm going to be ending the vlog here, and I just wanted to come on here really quick to show you guys that I finally bought one of these little phone holders for my car, so when I'm vlogging I don't have to actually hold my phone. So I'm gonna probably set this up right now, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys so I don't have to struggle anymore. But yeah, so that's basically all that's going on. I'm on my way to church, and I just wanted to come on here and again wish you guys a happy Easter, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know this vlog was kind of, you know, short. I didn't do too much, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. It would really help my channel out a lot. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. I think I'm almost at 100 subscribers. I'm at like 99 right now. So I just want to thank everyone who is subscribed to my channel. And I thank you guys so much for your support and all the nice comments. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next week in my next weekly vlog. And I'm also going to be doing like a beauty video this week. I know I kind of slacked this past week, but we'll have another sit down beauty video for you coming out this week. So be sure to stay tuned for that. But anyway, without further rambling, yeah, I'm just going to end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.